All right, in this problem, we're going to figure out what the mean is of this data set. So we have the values 2, 5, 7, 7, and 9. To find the mean, what we need to do is we need to add up all the values and then divide by the number of values, because the mean is the average. So we're going to do 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 9. And we're going to divide by 5 because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. Okay, so 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. And 21 plus 9 is 30. So the mean is going to be 30 divided by 5, which is 6. That's all there is to it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Okay, in this problem we're looking for the median of the following data set, and we have the values 4, 7, 7, 9, 11, and 23, and 4. Now to find the median, we first want to line these up from least to greatest. They're almost there, but we've got to move this 4 back to the beginning, so we have 4, 4, 2 7s, 9, 11, and then 23. And then I want to start crossing them off till I find the middle number, or if we have an even amount of values, the two middle numbers. If we get two middle numbers, we'll average those numbers. If we just have one middle number, we'll just take that number. So let's cross them off. And in this case, we have one middle number, which is 7. So the median in this case is 7. Okay, in this problem, we're looking for the mode of the following data set. We have 2, 5, 2 7s, a 9, 2 11s, and a 13. Now the mode is the most common number. In this case, we have 2 7s and 2 11s, so we actually have two modes. So the modes are going to be 7 and 11. All right, in this problem, we want to find the range of the following data set. We have the values -3, 4, -11, 22, and 7. Now the range is the difference between the largest and the smallest values. We're going to take the largest value and subtract the smallest value from it. So we're going to say the range is equal to 22, which is the largest value, and we're going to subtract the smallest value, which is -11. And when we subtract a negative, it's like adding a positive. So this becomes 22 plus +11. So our range is going to be 33.